Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here. I'm actually doing something different today. I'm reusing my old passion twist. Well, these were crochet passion twists, so they're like this right now, but I'm using them to do individual here. So I'm opening these here. I'm showing you guys how to reuse your passion twists to make them look cute just the same. I already started, but I decided that I'm going to show you guys this process. So here we are. These are in the back and I just parted out the front. So let me show you guys how I get this done. Okay, so I'm opening them one at a time, but I'm actually using two. I just open it, pull it out, open it, pull it out, and unravel it. Okay, so I did two other twists. I'm using two in one, so let's go. And I have my crochet needle. So I put in both of them, and now I'm going to use my Eco Style gel, pull it over my hair, so you know, want this to lay flat in it. So we're finished now. This is how it is, guys. I did it big because I only want it to last for maybe this week and maybe a little bit of next week. So I'm going to go ahead and do my edges now, and I'm going to be using the Eco Style gel. So that's it. I'm done. I'm just coming from the hairdresser. Oh, this hello. Nobody can tell me say I'm not hairdresser where I come from. So this is it. So you know now you don't have to throw away your old passion twist. You can reuse them, honey.